Saving money is a goal that many of us aspire to achieve, but it can often feel challenging or overwhelming. However, with the right strategies and mindset, it is possible to save a significant amount of money in a relatively short period. In this video, I will share my secrets on how I managed to save $20,000 in just 1 year. By implementing these tips and techniques, you too can embark on a successful savings journey. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 1. Set clear savings goals. To start saving effectively, it's crucial to set clear and specific savings goals. Determine why you want to save $20,000 and what it means to you. Whether it's building an emergency fund to provide a safety net in times of unexpected expenses, saving for a down payment on a house to achieve homeownership, or planning for a dream vacation to create lasting memories, having a clear purpose will provide the necessary motivation and focus. When you have a compelling reason behind your savings goal, it becomes easier to make conscious decisions about your spending and prioritize saving over unnecessary expenses. 2. Track your expenses. The next step in effective savings is to track your expenses meticulously. By keeping a detailed record of every penny you spend, whether it's through a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or simply using pen and paper, you gain valuable insights into your spending habits. This practice enables you to identify areas where you can cut back and make adjustments to your expenses. By understanding exactly where your money is going, you can make informed decisions about which expenses are necessary and which can be reduced or eliminated. Tracking your expenses empowers you to take control of your financial situation and make meaningful changes that contribute to your savings goals. 3. Create a realistic budget. Based on the careful tracking of your expenses, it's time to create a realistic budget that aligns with your savings goals. Begin by allocating a specific amount of money to essential expenses like housing, utilities, and groceries. These are necessities that you must account for in your budget. However, it's important to be mindful of discretionary expenses, such as entertainment and dining out, which can quickly add up. Aim to reduce or eliminate unnecessary spending in these areas, finding alternative ways to enjoy leisure activities or cook meals at home. By prioritizing essential expenses and curbing discretionary spending, you can create a budget that supports your savings objectives while still allowing for a comfortable lifestyle. 4. Implement the 80-20 rule. Consider implementing the 80-20 rule, a popular budgeting guideline that can help you achieve a balanced financial plan. Allocate 50% of your income towards essential expenses like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and groceries. This ensures that your basic needs are met. Dedicate 30% of your income to discretionary spending, such as entertainment, dining out, and non-essential purchases. This allows for flexibility and enjoyment in your budget. Finally, strive to save at least 20% of your income consistently. Adjust these percentages based on your specific situation, but aim to maintain a healthy savings habit. By following this rule, you can maintain a balanced budget that supports your financial goals. 5. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. To optimize your budget, take a closer look at your expenses and identify any unnecessary costs that can be reduced or eliminated. This may include subscription services that you rarely use or can live without, dining out excessively, or giving in to impulse purchases. By identifying these areas, you can find opportunities to cut back and save money. Consider cost-saving alternatives, such as cooking at home instead of eating out or exploring free entertainment options like hiking or visiting local parks. Making conscious choices to reduce or eliminate unnecessary expenses can have a significant impact on your overall financial well-being and help you achieve your savings goals faster. 6. Automate your savings. Automating your savings is a smart and effective strategy to ensure consistent progress towards your financial goals. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to a designated savings account, you remove the temptation to spend the money and make saving a seamless and effortless process. Choose a specific amount or percentage of your income to be automatically transferred on a regular basis, such as monthly or bi-weekly. This approach eliminates the need for manual transfers and ensures that you consistently save without having to remember or make conscious decisions. Automating your savings helps you stay on track and makes saving a priority in your financial routine. 7. Find ways to increase your income. To accelerate your savings, consider exploring opportunities to increase your income. Taking on a side gig or freelancing can provide an additional source of earnings that can be directly allocated towards your savings goal. Another option is to sell unused items, whether through online platforms or local marketplaces, to generate extra cash. Additionally, consider evaluating your current job and explore the possibility of asking for a raise based on your performance and value to the company. Every additional dollar you earn can make a significant difference in reaching your savings target faster. By proactively seeking ways to increase your income, you can supercharge your savings journey and achieve your financial goals more swiftly. 8. Stay motivated and accountable. Maintaining motivation is essential on your savings journey. Keep your savings goals at the forefront of your mind by regularly reminding yourself of the benefits of reaching your $20,000 milestone. Visualize the financial freedom, security, and peace of mind that achieving this goal will bring. Additionally, seek out an accountability partner, such as a friend or family member, who can provide support, encouragement, and even join you in your savings efforts. Share your progress with them and celebrate milestones together. Having someone to share your journey with can provide valuable motivation and help you stay focused and committed to achieving your savings goals. 9. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge and celebrate milestones on your savings journey. Set smaller goals along the way, such as reaching $5,000 or $11,000, and reward yourself for achieving them. Celebrating your progress will boost your morale and keep you motivated. 10. Stay consistent and be patient. Finally, understand that saving $20,000 will require consistency and patience. Stay committed to your savings plan, even during challenging times. Remember that every small step adds up and brings you closer to your goal. Keep your eye on the prize and stay focused on the long-term benefits of financial security and peace of mind. Saving $20,000 in just 1 year is an achievable goal with the right mindset and strategies in place. By setting clear goals, tracking expenses, creating a budget, cutting back on unnecessary expenses, automating savings, and staying motivated, you can transform your financial situation and achieve your savings milestones. Start implementing these secrets today and witness the positive impact they can have on your financial well-being. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing information, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.